Hello boys, and this video, let's start this by creating a rectangle in the middle. Rect. This is now we can just name this rect1, rect2. This is not rect2 anyway. Rect1 top. Okay, we can name this top, bot, and top, over, and bot, over. Okay, so rect. Color is this, in the center, then the size is 2. Then you reduce this 60 to 60. Okay. Now the top. Copy the rect. Name this top and move this to the top, of course. So negative 100 pixel and reduce the width 100 and to the right. So 100 pixel negative 120 30 40. Okay, so 120 and increase the width by 20 pixel. Okay, increase also the height by this one and move this to the top by 10 pixel. 110. Okay, we have now the top rectangle. We can just put a border radius specifically on the bottom left side. So bottom border bottom 25 pixel. A border bottom left radius. Okay. Look, why is it not? Okay, it is showing. Alright, percentage. Pixel is too fine. 100 pixel. It's too much. 70. 50 is the 50 is the closest our bet, but it's not really. That's 50 is our closest border radius. So with that, we can just copy this top for the overlay. So top over. Let's create a circle. So remove this. Oh, we need that border, but we need this border radius on all sides, 50%, and the color is the same as the background. Okay, like that, and the size is a circle. So make this 70. Okay, and move this to the top. 170. To the left, to the right, 170 again. Okay, from here we can increase the size. Oh no, 100. Move this to the right to 20. It looks just like this. So to the bottom, 180, 160, then to the left, 210, 230. Don't get it. Maybe the roundness. We can reduce the roundness. It's not looking cool. Oh yeah, that's the closest for me, at least. We can just copy these two elements, top and the top overlay, and paste. Rename the top to bot, and this is also bot. Then put these elements on the bottom by inverting these values. And this one. This is not border bottom, but border top left. Okay, so that we have a symmetry, and yeah, this is the closest I can do. And at this time frame, it would take time to actually do the real thing. With that, we can wrap up with putting background on the body, this one, and submit. This is the closest I can get. I don't know. 99.6. Yeah, not bad. And that's it. See you in the next one.